Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the CITYMAPS2GO mobile app works. CITYMAPS2GO is a travel-focused app that provides detailed offline maps, city guides, and customizable lists for users planning trips around the world. It's especially useful for travelers who want access to navigation and location data without relying on a constant internet connection. The app allows users to download detailed maps of cities, regions, or entire countries to use offline. Once maps are saved, users can access points of interest, such as restaurants, landmarks, museums, and hotels. CITYMAPS2GO also includes curated content and tips for many destinations, helping travelers explore like locals. You can mark favorite places, create custom lists, and even organize your trip by categorizing sites by type or priority. The interface is user-friendly, with zoomable, high-quality maps powered by OpenStreetMap. Pros of the app include its fully offline functionality, making it ideal for international travel where data might be limited or expensive. It also supports personalized trip planning with pinning and note-taking features. The coverage is extensive, with thousands of locations available for download. However, the cons include occasional syncing issues with saved lists across devices and some missing businesses or outdated listings in less traveled areas. Some users also find that the app's search function can lag or return irrelevant results at times. Real user feedback often praises the offline capability as a lifesaver during foreign trips. Travelers mention that having maps readily available without needing Wi-Fi or mobile data is a huge convenience. Many also enjoy the ability to plan ahead and build an itinerary directly in the app. On the other hand, a few users report occasional crashes and delays when trying to load larger city maps or switch between list views and map views. In conclusion, CITYMAPS2GO is a reliable and efficient mobile app for offline navigation and travel planning. It's a great companion for travelers who want to stay organized and informed, even when they're completely offline. With global map access and itinerary tools, it brings both flexibility and practicality to your adventures. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.